Hey, this is Aksa and today we are going to learn how to create the amazing porcelain effect in Photoshop with just two sliders. So all we have to do, press Ctrl or Command J, make a copy of the background layer. Now the second thing that you need to do is to convert this into a smart object. To do that, really simple, right click on it and click Convert to Smart Object. Now, here's the thing, why did we convert it into a smart object? Because now we are going to apply camera raw filter to it. Okay, now since camera raw filter can be applied to smart object, no matter what mistakes we make, we can always go back and edit the sliders. It's totally non-destructive. So let's go ahead, go into filters, camera raw filter. Now inside of camera raw filter, click on HSL grayscale icon and go to saturation, and then decrease the saturation of the oranges to -100, and there we go, the porcelain skin effect. And if you want to increase the brightness of the skin, go to luminance and increase the oranges. Depending upon the skin tone, you might have to nudge the other sliders, but this is okay for this image. Then hit OK once you are satisfied. Now jumping into another example, as you can see, this has affected other areas of the image as well. So all you can do, holding the Alt or Option, click on the mask button and this creates a negative mask. Now take the brush, make sure the foreground color is white, and opacity and flow at 100, and smoothing we don't need it, 0. And then let's go ahead and bluntly paint on the skin. And you don't have to be super accurate about this, just don't paint on the clothes and background and other stuff, and just paint. There we go. So that's how you get the super amazing porcelain skin in Photoshop.